Scores are St. Hugh's Prep on 3 and Avondale Prep on 4. There are no changes to the score, but I did make an error. The food group of rice is staples, just for your information. Time now for section 2 of the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, a member of each team will face off against a member of the opposite team in math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Joshua Martin of St. Hugh's Prep up against Samoy Brown of Avondale Prep. Joshua, we begin with you. What's 80% of 600? Question passes to Samoy. Want to try?
Yes, please. Is it 480?
That is correct. Joshua, if 5n minus 17 equals 73, what's 3n? Question passes to Samoy. Want to try?
Yes, please. Is it 56?
That's incorrect. It's 54. Joshua, if 5 green balls, 7 red balls, and 12 yellow balls are put into a bag, in its lowest terms, what's the probability of picking out a yellow ball?
Is it 12 over 24 or a half percent probability?
Okay, a half is the correct answer. That is correct. Joshua, what is 0.087 as a percentage?
Is that 8.7%, miss?
That is correct. What's the prime number immediately before 71? Question passes to you, Samoy.
Is it 69?
That's incorrect. It's 67. Samoy, we're now over to you and reminding all team members to not speak until it's their turn. Samoy, what is 40% of 900?
Is it 360?
That's right. If 11n plus 21 equals 164, what is 4n?
Is it 143?
That's incorrect. Joshua, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's 52. Samoy, a bag contains 8 green cards, 7 blue cards, and 6 red cards. In its lowest terms, what's the probability of picking out a blue card?
Seven over 21 or 1 over 3?
That is correct. Samoy, what is 0.609 as a percentage? Question passes to Joshua. Want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. 60.9%?
That is correct. Samoy, what's the prime number immediately before 47?
$43?
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of science. It's between the captain of St. Hugh's Prep, Joel Lawson, who's up against Omario Hamilton of Avondale Prep. Captain Joel, what is the general name for the natural environment for an animal or plant?
Habitat.
That's right. Pneumonia is a disease that affects what organ in the body?
The lung.
That's right. Place this food chain in the correct order. Cow, grass, man.
Grass, cow, man.
That's correct. How many pairs of ribs are in the typical human?
16.
That's incorrect. Mario, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 12. Captain, what's the more common name for the human bone, the hallux? Mario, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the big toe. Mario, now over to you. Which word of Japanese origin is used to describe a series of waves caused by the displacement of a large body of water in an ocean? Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's tsunami. Mario, arthritis is a disease that affects what area of the body?
The heart?
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, thank you. The joints.
Or the bones or muscles. That's correct. Mario, place this food chain in the correct order. Birds, leaves, caterpillars.
Leaf, caterpillar, and birds?
That's correct. What's the name of the flexible tissue which protects the end of bones at the joints? Question passes to you, Captain. Want to try?
Yes, thank you. Cartilage.
Cartilage is correct. Mario, the thorax bones in the body consist of the ribs and which other bone? Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the sternum or breastbone. Taking us now into our next face-off. It's in English language, and it's between Deanna Staples of St. Hugh's Prep up against Jude John Williams of Avondale Prep. Deanna, using the word ice, give an idiom which means to make people feel more comfortable.
To break the ice?
That's correct. Which of the words in this sentence must begin with a capital letter? The woman went to Rome on a summer holiday.
Woman, Rome, and summer.
That's incorrect. Jude John, would you like to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's the and Rome. Deanna, spell probably.
P-R-O-A... Oh, no, that's wrong.
It is wrong. Incorrect. Jude John, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. P-R-O-B...
Time's up. That means that's incorrect or incomplete. Probably. P-R-O-B-A-B-L-Y. Deanna, which of these words is not an abstract noun? Hope, loyalty, solid, patience.
Solid.
That's correct. What's the singular of the word cacti?
Cactus.
That is correct. Jude, John, we're over to you using the word skin. Give an idiom which means to just barely achieve or do something. Deanna, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's by the skin of your teeth. Jude, John, which of the words in this sentence must begin with a capital letter? John was excited about his trip to New York.
John and New York.
That is correct. Spell sanctity.
S-A-N-C-T-I-C-Y.
That's correct. Which of these... Oh, I'm sorry. Did you say... Okay, that's incorrect. Deanna, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's S-A-N-C-T-I-T-Y. Jude John, which of these words is an abstract noun? Listen, contact, anger, linger.
Anger.
That's right. What's the singular of the word genii? I'm so sorry, it's genii. Diana, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's genius. Bringing us now to our final face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Leah Whittingham of St. Hugh's Prep. Leah is up against the captain of Avondale Prep, Captain Laurie Ann Ball. Leah, who was Jamaica's prime minister in 1968? Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It was Hugh. Leah, in which county is the Jamaican parish capital, Savannah Lamar, located? Question passes to you, Captain.
Cornwall.
That's right. Leah, Hamilton is a major city in which Caribbean country?
Cuba.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Bermuda. Leah, which Jamaican high school was formerly called Beckford and Smiths?
Campion.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
St. Jago High. Leah, in what direction is Montego Bay from St. Anne's Bay?
Southwest.
That's incorrect. Captain? Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's west. Captain Lorian, we're now with you. Who was Jamaica's prime minister in 1990?
Edward Siaga.
That's incorrect. Leo, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Michael Manley. Captain, in which county is the Jamaican parish capital, Maypen, located?
Middlesex.
That's right. What's the largest of the 3 Cayman Islands?
Grand Cayman.
That's right. Which all-girls Jamaican high school is located in Stewarttown in Trelawney? Question passes to you, Leo.
No, thank you.
It's Westwood High. Captain, in what intermediate direction is Kingston from Port Antonio? Question passes to you, Leo. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's southwest. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are St. Hugh's Prep on 14 and Avondale Prep on 11. The final challenge is next. Stay with us. TVJ Jnr. Challenge 2, 2020.